Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. The sun's shining here. A little cold, but at least the sun's out. Today we are going to be making affirmation cards. I found this on Circuit Design Space, and I thought I would bring you guys along with me for the process. So what you're going to need for this is, see, it said I needed white paper, which I have, and then paper for the envelope. It said green, but I'm going to use a piece of scrap that I already have. And you're going to need your light grip mat, which is the blue one. And then you're going to need some pens. You're going to need a gel pen and then your regular black pen. You can do the cards in different colors. I just have black, so I have this black glitter black pen. It is 0.8, so I'm going to use this one. So, and I found this on Design Space. I'm not sure if this is one of the ones that you have to have your a membership for or not. I'm still learning about that. Alright, so let's get started. The first one we're going to do is we're going to do the little cards. And this is just regular white paper. I think we got it at Walmart. Okay. So let's see what we have here. I'm going to hit continue, connect into my maker. If you have a Circut at home, let me know which one you guys have. Post it in the comments, and if you like it or not. Pen in. Now I have the Maker 3. No complaints yet on it. Alrighty, gonna print it out. Alright, so we got the first pen done on our Circut. So now it says to load the other pen, which it said pink and blue. So the pink went first and then the blue went second. But I'm using the black for both of them. So I already have it in there, and I'm going to hit play. And we'll be back once this is done because it's taken a little bit to print. Alright, so we've got all the marker done. Now we're going ahead and cutting our little affirmations out. And we'll be back when this is finished. Alrighty, we back it out. And this is what we have. All finished. So let's take them off. The little cards, and these turned out pretty cute. And the pen I did use was a glitter gel pen. These turned out really cute. And like I said, I did find this on the Design Space and Circuit Maker. So we have this one that says positivity always wins. Thank you for brightening my world. Believe you can. And you're halfway there. Be patient and tough. Someday the pain will be useful to you. Kindness is helping the world, one person at a time. Be patient and tough. Someday the pain will be useful to you. I think we already read that one. If there is no way, create one. It says, thank you for being you. Kindness is love made visible. Be the person who just went for it. And then thank you for being you. These would be great to put in a junk journal. If you're making junk journals. All right, now the next step is to make the envelope for this. And it also gave you a blank one that you could write your own on. All right, so let's make the envelope now. I'm gonna put this on. Put this on like this. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's continue. We're using medium cardstock. And then you're going to load your regular pen along with your blade. It says load black pen and clamp A. And then hit your line button. I missed the little loopy over here, so I had to go back. Off. Hit your play button. Does here the little envelope. If you've tried this on your Circut, let me know how it went. All right, so now we're going to take this off. That, and I am going to put back on my cover, put it up there. So this is what it gave us, just like that. Now in the directions, it said to fold along the draw lines to create the envelope and glue the flaps to create the envelope. Not sure why it didn't. Score it. I might alter this next time and do and score it instead of putting the marker down or the pen down. Give you a better envelope. Alright, so I'm going to use double-sided tape, and I am going to, let's move this over. That out of the way. And I'm just going to lay some double-sided tape right there. Now this double-sided tape I got at scrapbook.com. You can also buy it at the Dollar Tree. Walmart has it. Hobby Lobby. Any crafting store should have it. Amazon has it. We always have a big stock of double-sided tape lying around, so we use it for a lot of stuff. If it goes over a little bit, like that, you can fold it over. And there you go. That is cute. Like that. And then your cards can go inside. Just like that. Now you can leave it like this. That's how it looks when it's finished. You can put some twine around it. You can embellish the front. I might put some seam ribbon on it and then tie it. And there you have it. Cute little affirmation cards. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And we will see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Like this video if you like it. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe. There's a little bell down below in the description. You can subscribe. And we will see you next time. Thank you. Have a good day.